Yeah, I will join you soon, baby.
You don't bath finish.
Yeah. Baby, are you through?
I'm through.
Oh, God. Oh. You take me to the eye level today. I don't expect it. But don't worry. I'll give you something big today. That's good. That's my baby.
You need to be fast. We need to go.
Baby. You know what? Please, I'll need to go downstairs.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, beg. No waste time.
Relax now. Come on.
Make her relax.
Yeah, relax.
I will just.
You just sit down.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
This is my uncle now. Look at the time. Yes, coming.
Sorry, madam. The time is up.
My time is up.
Sure.
I know. Wetin go happen be say my guy did downstairs. He will give you the money.
See, your time has been up now for the past 30 minutes. Meaning I've given you an extra time. And your guy that you said is downstairs has not been there. He has left for the past 2 hours now.
You do anything?
So I've come here to take the money for the services I've rendered for you.
You no go. Maybe you say you won't go collect something downstairs. Na there you go dey. Oga abeg.
See, I'm telling you now that he's not around. And in his absence, you are going to be the one to foot the bill. Okay?
Jesus. Me. Oh, Sanowa. Me. Oga, see as I dey like this now. She I no get. I just na package so I don't get money at all. Oga abeg, pity me. You go come back come pay. We go pay you later abeg.
So, you dey tell me now, say, as you find rich like this, you don't get any money for hand.
I don't get money, Oga.
But you get mouth to the chop. You know, say yesterday, now you dey call kitchen pass. As you dey order shawarma.
Hey.
Now you dey order pepper soup. You dey order nkwobi. Every food wey we get for our kitchen, now you chop yesterday. All the drink wey dey for our bar, now you drink yesterday. Now the time say you don't get money.
Oga abeg.
You know what? We dey very helpful to you. And I will give you a very good service. We go favor you well. You don't start to work. As from today, as a cleaner.
Oga abeg. Don't do me like this abeg. Hey.
Until the money complete.
Oga, you know what's going to happen? You see this my chain? Abeg. I dash you. Use am do the B. Abeg.
Sure. See this woman. You just have you. All these things where they collect for yaba for 15 naira. Now they can't give me say na good.
No.
That's the craze.
Oga.
Immediately now you get to work, okay?
Hey. Me. So as I did so Pacific dupe me.
Hey. See, no be time to cry with this. I'm giving you just 10 minutes now to resume to work, okay? Nonsense.
Hey. Show I don't gas. Me. Begin to scrub. Begin to. Oh, Jesus, I'm not able to believe this thing.